Hey there. So it's the end of the school year, and I've been thinking about what message I want to leave to my wonderful students. And I was thinking about a song that my music group has been practicing, Lean on Me. And something I was thinking about is, during this COVID-19 quarantine, we've all been stuck in our houses apart from each other, but I just want my students and all of you to know that you can always lean on me. I'll help you the best that I can. I care about all of you a lot, and I'm hoping for brighter times in the future. So until then, you can lean on me. And I've been practicing this on my ukulele. I just started this instrument about 3 weeks ago, so I'm still getting the hang of it. But I'd like to sing for you. Okay. You can sing along too. Sometimes in our life, we all have pain. We all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, for no one can fill those of your needs that you won't let show. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you understand. We all need somebody to lean on. If there is a load you have to bear that you can carry, right up the road, I'll share your load if you just call me. All right, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful summer. I'm going to keep practicing my ukulele, and we'll see where that takes us. Have a great time, be safe, and have fun.